Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a TOSCIDO P101 and let me share with you how to reset up preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and then we have to find the section apps and notifications. It should be on the third position from the top. Now let's tap on see all 30 apps, and then 3 dots icon in the right upper corner. As you can see here, we've got the reset up preferences option, so the option we're looking for. And right here, your device is informing you what it will actually reset. So among others, disabled app notifications and any permission restrictions. What's more, no worries, you won't lose any app data. So simply tap on reset apps, and basically this is it. This is how to reset up preferences in this device. You do not have, you will not receive any kind of information that you just reset up, but trust me, we did it. So thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.